Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna be doing the unboxing for June's Boxycharm. I already opened it, so it'll be easier. So let's dig in here and see what we got this month. So here's the card where they show you the prices. So the first thing I see here is, so this is Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It retails for $10. It looks like it's a mini. So let's open it up. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like vanilla. Let's try some on. So again, this retails for $10. It's a very light texture. It's very watery. Okay. The next thing I see here is a Luxie brush set. It comes with 3. Let's open them up. So you get a tapered highlighter brush. Looks like that. It's a small brush. You get a dual fiber powder brush. It's very flat sideways, you see. I've never used a brush like this for a powder. So this brush, and it comes with a precision foundation brush. It looks like a flat foundation brush, but this one's fluffier. It has more hair, so see, like that it looks like a foundation brush, but it has more hair than the foundation one. So these 3 brushes retail for, it says Luxie 3-piece flawless complexion set for $42 for these 2. These 3 brushes. So that's pretty good. That is a great way to build up your brush collection. Another thing I see here is this. Oh, it's some eyelashes. They are from, they look like this. Let's see the description. They're Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. These retail for $28. $28, you guys. It says Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. I'm excited to use these. They do look natural. Wispy. So I'm excited about that. The next thing I see here is a eyeliner pencil and charcoal. The brand is Jaunty Blue. Looks like this, and the color is charcoal. It's a great color. Oh, it's very smooth. It looks like it'll go on smoothly on the waterline. That's good. And I like gray eyeliners because they make your brown eyes stand out. So that eyeliner is waterproof, perfect for the waterline, and it retails for $5, so not bad. The other thing I see in here is an Ofra lips. Is this a lipstick? Yeah, Ofra long lasting lipstick. I've gotten one before from Ofra on the Boxycharm, but that color was the rose, like a burgundy color. So this one looks more nude. So this liquid lipstick is in the color Verona, and it retails for $21. These are really good, you guys. I've tried the other one. I wear it often, and it stays on most all day. So I'm excited to use that. And the last thing I see on the box is this palette. Everyone's been talking about this palette. I've seen it online, and the colors do look nice. So let's see how they are. So the palette is called Alamar. Oh no, that's the brand. Alamar Cosmetics is the brand. Let's see the palette name. Reina del Caribe. So the palette name is Reina del Caribe, and the brand is called Alamar Cosmetics. And you open it and you get, these are really pretty. I like how she included mattes. So these are the colors. You can use these as pop-up colors. These are really pretty for the fall or even now for like a bright look. Very, very pretty. Let's swatch some of these bright colors. So this aqua color is called Celia. That's how it comes up. Wow. So that's that one. Let's see this navy blue color. It's called Baradero. Looks like that. Oh, that looks really nice. Wow. The light doesn't catch it well, but it has a really nice sheen. Very pretty. I'm excited. I'm actually only done with my foundation right now because I'm gonna do a tutorial using this palette and see what I come up with. But this one, did I tell you guys it retails for $28? So this palette on its own is $28. So you already got your money's worth. Again, this subscription is $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size items. So if you want to sign up, these are the items I received this month. And wait for the next video. I'm gonna be doing a video using this palette. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.